Hi friends, welcome to another video. This is going to be a short video of me going through bags of clothes. There's days where I'm just like so overwhelmed with all of the clothes we have, and the clothes that we're not wearing as frequently are just like piled up somewhere, and I just throw them in a big old garbage bag to sort through later on. And this is what I'm doing in this video. I'm going to be going through all of those clothes. Hopefully a majority of them are going away, I hope. So so I'm going to be going through all of these bags that I have put together, and I hope that maybe if you guys have the same issue as me, that this motivates you to tackle those bags of nonsense, and you can hopefully get rid of a majority of it if you have too much, like myself. I have way too much, or we have way too much. So these are gonna be bags of clothes that are mine, my husband's, and my kids combined. So it's not just my stuff. But yes, we're gonna be going through that. We're gonna tackle it together, and I hope this motivates you. Alright guys, I am so sorry. I did not realize that my head was going to be cut off in this whole entire part of the video. Please forgive me, but honestly I look like a big mess anyways today because I was doing a big Zumba workout before this, so I'm a hot mess, and yeah, I'm just a slop right now, so it's okay. Anyways, I hope that this video does motivate you. I am definitely going through a bunch of clothes in this video. Also, I should probably let you know that the clothes on the left of the screen, that small pile, is a maybe pile. I have to try on and see if I really want. And all the clothes that was on the right side that I just put in the bag is all donations. I'm going to sort through them. Some things I might put on my Poshmark. I still need to give you guys my access to my Poshmark site, but I am still just kind of putting it all together anyways, and then the rest of it I'm going to go through and make sure it looks nice, and I'm going to take over to the Women and Children's Center. So yeah, and then the rest that is just like whatever, I'm just gonna go to Goodwill or garbage, whatever, you know. And most of the stuff is decent enough not to throw away, so I'm gonna go through all of this and hopefully find some things I can give to the Women and Children's Center, and also to Goodwill, and then whatever else just throw away. Alright guys, continue watching. So tell me what you're thinking of. So this hoodie is actually really hard for me to get rid of because it holds a lot of great memories for me, but it is old and I don't ever wear it. So it is a hoodie I got from New Jersey when I went to visit my brother in New York. We just went on this big fun East Coast trip because I am from the West Coast, so it was really, really fun, and I bought that hoodie there at the Atlantic City beach. So but I don't wear it anymore, and so I'm just gonna get rid of it because someone else might want to use it. These two garbage bags are actually garbage now. Alright, so right now I'm going through all my workout tops and my headbands, and then also my undies, and then I'm going to be going through my workout bottoms. This tank top you can't really see. It says, "I work out to burn off the crazy." I love it. And just like always, Riley wants to be a part of the video, and he wants to distract mommy from actually doing any work. So this is kind of funny. He doesn't want me to get rid of a tank top, this one right here, the one that he's holding, but I have so many and I don't wear this one as often, and I just recently got it too. I feel kind of bad for spending the money, but it was only $1 or $3, I can't remember, but I'm going to donate it to a Women and Children's Center. I'm just going to sneak it behind his back when he's not looking, and I'm going to have to do that. And now Riley wants to help me get stuff out of this drawer, and then he found my old Canon Coolpix, or yeah, I think it's Canon, or Nikon Coolpix camera I got many years ago, like gosh, like at least 8 years ago, and it just does, I don't think it works anymore, but I've been holding on to it just in case I can get it to work. I don't know, I'm probably just gonna end up donating it or throwing it away if it's not workable, but he is having fun playing with that. Now I'm moving on to my workout bottoms. These are Under Armour workout pants, and these ones I got from Walmart. I actually love these workout shorts and had them for years, and then those ones as well. I've had these workout pants too for a long time, but all those workout pants I'm going to get rid of. Probably put the Under Armour ones on my Poshmark just because they're a little bit more pricey, and yeah. Now these are all the bags so far that are filled to be donated. I'm so proud of myself. Alright, you guys, I hope that that video motivated you. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope it wasn't too short for you guys. Hopefully it was just enough to get you guys moving and working on something that you need to tackle as well. There will be a lot more videos to come. I'm just doing this because I was like, you know what, I owe you guys a somewhat type of cleaning video, and I have too much clothes in bags to get rid of. So I'm like, I'm gonna do this with you, and I hope that it motivated you or just you enjoyed it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll say alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos to come, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. If you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye now.
Dreaming I'm slipping away, I hear your sweet voice, then I see your face. I never knew you could love someone like me. You climbed my tower and you set me free.